Since the date of this tragic loss of life, Constable Smyth has been the recipient of criticism from a number of sources. Based on all the information provided to me, I believe that this criticism has been unwarranted. During the last 15 years, I've known Constable Smyth and seen him succeed in many challenging work assignments. I have known him to be conscientious and professional in all of his work. In an organization with many selfless officers, he's often one of the first to step up and help vulnerable people in our community and to help those who are in need. He's a respected police officer who's provided a quality service to our organization and to the community. I've seen no evidence of any wrongdoing on the part of our officer.